Ang pag-aasawa, it's a lifelong commitment po. Ito po ay pagsasama ng mag-asawa na mayroong pagtatalaga ng sarili, pagtatalaga ng buhay. Iverson, yung oras mo, yung lakas mo, yung pag-iisip mo, yung buhay mo ay nakinika, ganun din ikaw, Nika. It's a lifelong commitment.
Nika, my BD, first year high school tayo the moment I laid my eyes on you. That exact moment ay nagustuhan kita. Fast forward to fourth year high school, July of 2014, umamin ako ng nararamdaman ko sa'yo at nagtangkang manligaw pero binasted mo ako. But then, hindi ako nagpatinag at nagpatuloy pa rin ako ng manligaw sa'yo. And then, 9 months later, senior prom, March 30th of 2015, naging tayo. Now, 10 years later, we are here surrounded by our loved ones. We begin our next chapter.
For 10 years of being together, you had been not only my boyfriend, but also my high school classmate, my best friend, my companion, my secret keeper, and you might not know it, but you had saved me for many times. We only call each other's endearments through messages, and my most favorite was Prinsesa ko. You stopped calling me that when we started living together, but started treating me like one every day. Now, as we stand here, we now face another chapter in our life. We will face new challenges, argument, we will create new memories, we will build our own family, and we will have our own values.
You were just a dream that I once knew.
Masusubok yung pag-aaruga, pag-aalaga ni Iverson o ni Nika pagka may mga disappointment, pagka may mga sakit, pag may mga kinakaharap na problema, doon ninyo masusubok ng inyong pagmamahal, ang inyong kalinga sa isa't isa. Sabi ko nga, kahit na maputi ng buhok, kahit yung tuhod ay humina na, you have to care each other, no? Pag kakalingahin ninyo ang isa't isa.
You are everything I dreamed of. Yung pagmamahal na pinapadama mo sa akin completes me in ways I never knew were possible. Yung smile mong nakaka-inlove, I love it pag napapatawa kita sa mga jokes ko, lalo na sa mga pagkakataon na halos maluha ka na sa kakatawa. Nika, you are my happiness. You have made me the happiest man in the world when you agreed to share your life with me. I am thankful every day knowing that you are mine.
Just such a dream that I once knew. I never thought I would be right for you. I just can't compare you.
You are the most loving person I have ever known, and I promise to stay at your side as we build our lives together.
And you accepted this dream as a symbol of my eternal love, faithfulness, loyalty, companionship, and lifetime commitment to our marriage. I vow to accept all the imperfections in our relationship and to learn from all the mistakes we will make, for I will not be a perfect wife or a perfect mother.
Keeps going on.
vow to be your honest, faithful, and loving husband for the rest of my days. I vow that my love for you will grow with each day. I promise you all of this and more with God's help to strengthen and guide me as your loving husband. I will grow old with you and never stop growing with you. Through hard times and good times, through sickness and in health, I'll always be at your side. I will love you for all the days of my life.
Just a dream that I once knew. I never thought I would be right for you. I just can't compare you with anything if it's a word.
I vow every day to share my happiness with you, to share my love and even my life. And when it's our time, may our lives meet again, for I always find a way to make that happen. I love you, Ivor.